Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary, Dose 25. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, Elan. Friends, Elan means energy, style and enthusiasm. Its Hindi meaning is Josh. Now look at its sentence. She performed with skill and elan. Its synonym is vigor. The next word that I have for you is trite. Trite means dull on account of overuse. Its Hindi meaning is ghise pite. Now look at its sentence. His lyrics about love and peace are too trite for me to take them seriously. Its synonym is worn out. The next word is opulent. Opulent means costly and luxurious. In Hindi you can say dhani or dhanwan. Now look at its sentence. I like an opulent lifestyle. Its synonym is sumptuous. Repeat after me, sumptuous. The next word is sterling. Friends, sterling means excellent or valuable. Its Hindi meaning is shandar. Now look at its sentence. Everyone has made a sterling effort. Its synonym is outstanding. Look at our next word, smear. Smear means to spread. Its Hindi meaning is lepna. Now look at its sentence. The children had smeared mud on the walls. Its synonym is grease. The next word that I have for you is comply. Friends, comply means to obey an order or rule. Its Hindi meaning is स्वीकार करना या फिर पालन करना. Now look at its sentence. The man was arrested because he refused to comply with the airline's no smoking policy. Its synonym is abide by. The next word is vanquish. Vanquish means defeat thoroughly. Its Hindi meaning is vijay prapt karna. Now look at its sentence. In the movies, the superheroes usually vanquish the villains. Its synonym is conquer. Now look at our next word, heir. In this, H letter is silent. You will not pronounce it. It is heir. Heir means a person who inherits or has a right of inheritance in the property. Its sentence is, they adopted an orphan as an heir. Its synonym is successor. The next word that I have for you is facile. Friends, facile means ignoring the true complexities of an issue. Its Hindi meaning is asan. Now its sentence, he gave a facile solution to a complex problem. Its synonym is simplistic. Last but not least is industrious. Industrious means diligent and hard-working. Its Hindi meaning is mehnati. Now look at its sentence. She is extremely competent and industrious. Its synonym is assiduous. So friends, it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of conquer? A. Comply. B. Sterling, C. Smear, D. Vanquish. Give me answer of this question in comment box.